Here we have our 1999 F350 4x4. This one's got a hydro bed on it. You notice they've got lockouts on here. He's going to operate the hydro bed for you. And notice they've got some angler iron around the bed to kind of help keep things a little more sturdy. It's got some toolboxes on the side, a standard transmission, and a genuine farm work truck. There we go. Thank you very much.